One percenters, welcome back. Coach Tommy here today to teach you a basketball principle. A concept that once you understand this, you will pretty much be able to destroy any defender. Once you master it, you'll be able to blow by, you'll be able to cross, you'll be able to get anywhere you want on the court. Okay? Now we're going to apply that concept or principle to dribbling. Okay, dribbling. So any dribble move or dribble type that you do, and in order for it to be effective, remember you have to have the three changes. Okay, change of speed, change of level, okay, and then change of direction. So speed, level, and direction. Okay, there's actually a fourth one that you need to be able to do to make it really effective is the ability to change your mind. And I know I just said three, okay, but that's the secret. That's 3 levels, okay, level change, speed change, direction change, and at the last moment, if you need to, if you want to, the ability to change your mind or the defender's mind. So change your level, speed, direction, and mind. So the 3 changes. Okay, so the concept that we need to understand comes from something that I enjoy outside of basketball, magic. Okay, magic is really all about this concept, and it's about misdirection. Misdirection. The concept we're learning today is misdirection. Get your defender thinking one thing and you're doing another. Divert their attention elsewhere and then you're doing something. So think of misdirection. Magic Johnson's super famous for it. He went like this with the ball and then he passed it that way. That's a misdirection pass. Or when you go to look this way and then you pass over there, a no-look pass is a misdirection type move. Okay, so misdirection is this concept. Never really show your defender what you're actually thinking or doing, and if they anticipate that you're going to do a no-look pass, then you can just look this way and still pass it that way. So they're always going to be on edge, on their heels, or always at your mercy. So how does misdirection apply to dribbling? Okay, so dribbling. Okay, if I'm just going like this with a crossover with the jab footwork, okay? Instead of going with the regular jab footwork, if I go with misdirection, when I go like this, okay, I can jump back this way. Now it just becomes a misdirection type move. So if I come this way, the ball goes in one direction, my body goes the other direction. I can also go between the legs, misdirection. Same thing if I go with a behind the back. Okay, all of it is a misdirection type move. So if I start to combine stuff, okay, I can put it through my legs this way, and then come this way, and that becomes a regular type move up here. So misdirection, okay, between the legs misdirection with a skip footwork. A misdirection, okay, with a skip jumping out of it. Normally, the between the legs skip, your body will go to the left, so you're coming this way. So the moment that I'm here, okay, my weight is evenly distributed. The defender doesn't know if I'm going to jump this way with the skip or if I'm going to jump this way with the skip. Okay, so it's misdirection you can go through with all your dribble moves, crossover, okay, crossover between legs, same thing behind the back, okay? And if you want to mix it up, okay, you can do the same thing with the crossover with the jab, so it looks something like that. Okay, so when you come out this way, it goes that way, the ball goes out that way, that way. Okay, and it becomes this weird looking thing because they'll be confused because every time you normally step out this way, the ball goes with you, your leg goes with you, but then when you're doing misdirection stuff, it comes back the other way. Okay, so that's the misdirection concept. Go ahead and apply it to your moves. Ball goes one way, your body goes the other way. Apply it to crossovers, regular dribbles, between the legs, behind the back. Be creative, experiment with yourself, and you'll learn on your own. If this is all way too advanced, make sure you go back to the dribble transformation stuff where I talk about jab footwork, dribble types, skipping, and all that stuff. Okay, if you like this video, if it all makes sense, and if you think that this is helping you, just go ahead and drop the stopwatch emoji in the comments for me. Let me know that you like this stuff, and I'll keep making these videos. So that's all I got for you guys today, 1%ers. Drop that little stopwatch if this is all making sense, and I'll see you guys next time.